I've been seeing this 3-in-1 pocket turbo fan all over my feed lately. So, I finally decided to buy the SHOWSUN T1 to see if it's actually worth the hype. Opening the box, you get the main unit and all the attachments neatly packed. The matte white finish feels super premium in the hand. One of my favorite features right off the bat is this smart LED display. Hate having to guess how much battery my gadgets have left. It has 6 different speed settings. When you cycle through them and crank it all the way up to level 6, the torque is actually insane. You can literally feel the kickback from that 80,000 RPM motor. Just to give you a real idea of how strong that airflow actually is, I tested it on this small plant sitting all the way across my desk. It doesn't just make a breeze. It creates this perfectly focused, high-speed jet stream of air that reaches surprisingly far. Oh, and while I was inspecting the design, I realized it even has a built-in LED flashlight right at the base. It's surprisingly bright and has been super handy for finding cables I drop under my desk. But here's the real reason I bought this thing. My keyboard is an absolute disaster. I used to waste so much money on those freezing cans of compressed air that run out in 5 minutes. I snapped on the air duster nozzle for the T1 and just went to work. It instantly blasted out years of craft dust, food crumbs, and things I didn't even know were hiding under those keys. It is incredibly satisfying to watch, and the power is just relentless. It never loses pressure. Now, the only problem with blowing dust is that it ends up all over your desk. But that's where the modular design saves the day. In about 2 seconds, I swapped out the nozzle for the vacuum cup and brush attachment. It transforms into a legit miniature desktop vacuum. Sweeping up all that leftover debris was weirdly therapeutic. It picked up every single speck of dirt in one clean sweep, leaving the desk spotless. I even went back over the keyboard with the vacuum brush, just to catch any stubborn dust that was still clinging to the key. It sucked it all right up safely without me worrying about static damaging anything. And honestly, my favorite unexpected use, because it's basically a pocket jet engine. I've just been keeping it on my desk as a personal cooling fan, or literally using it to dry my hair when I'm running late in the morning. It is definitely my favorite tech pickup this year.